back to Curry and Karwan. So today we are here in Mira Road. Why? We are meeting a very special lady who is being a corporate working professional, but also equally juggles, a home chef model over the weekends, and she's so passionate about serving food. So over to meeting Ushri Gupta today, and let's find out from her what she has in store for today's episode. Over to her. And welcome back to Curry and Karwan. So today we are here to meet Ushri. So Ushri, he's a financial professional. However, she is a very passionate home chef, and she specializes in Bengali cuisine. So I am very intrigued to know more about her. And first of all, let me welcome Ushri to Curry and Karwan, and so glad to have you.
Thank you, Neha. Most welcome for and giving us this opportunity, the Ushri Home Chef. Yes, I am a professional financial, but this is my really a passion, what you said, and the persistence is
Absolutely.
take me here. Yeah.
All right. So let's jump to the first question. I think when we talk about being a financial professional and trying to manage your home chef journey over the weekends. So what are the major challenges that you encounter? I'm sure there are many.
Yes, definitely. The first thing is that it's very tiring, and after these 5 days, because you can understand the corporates, it demands a lot, and your service is something which is you have to continue to achieve your goal.
Absolutely.
And the achievements. And by the side, I have to take this passion. My home chef is going to be turned 4 years this year.
Lovely.
And you can imagine, like, all the weekends I have invested, and that investment is not only from my side, it is entire my family also invested their time towards to the home chef.
I'm
to
sure.
supporting
I
me.
mean, the family support is extremely, paramount in this kind of a journey where you are trying to balance, both the ends and walking the tightrope literally. All right, lovely. So, moving to the next question, I think when we talk about Bengali cuisine, and most of the people who identify with Bengali cuisine, they only know Bengali cuisine as fish, chicken, and mutton. Essentially a non-vegetarian dominated cuisine. But I'm sure there are some veg dishes also which take the cake. So can you just elaborate on that?
First, I just start with that this is absolutely a myth. Okay, it is like that. If you know that the Bengali cuisine when started in the history, there is a Thakurbari Ranna and all. So nowadays it's a lot of, you can see the reels and comings and all. So there's a lot many of Bengali veg dishes are there, and many vegetables are actually it's forming in the east side, which is rarely available on the other side of this country.
Alright.
So you will definitely have few of the items today.
I can't wait to taste them.
Yeah, but many, like this is a summer time. There is a lot of, you can say, the leafy vegetables. This is also very much famous other than the non-veg dishes.
Correct. Alright, so moving on to the next question, and I would like to make a special mention here that Ushri also has been a recent recipient of an award of food,
Upper crust,
upper crust home chef
Studio.
competition which was held at the World Trade Center. So Ushri, I think you do share something about that as well.
Yeah, there's a really, firstly, so I'm really thankful to the community of kind of giving us the opportunity to all the home chefs.
So when we talk about any home chef, I'm sure all the home chefs can identify with this that they have of course an exhaustive menu. I'm sure you also have an exhaustive menu, but there are some star dishes, or I would say the king performers of the menu which always call for an extra attention by all your customers. So what are those star dishes of your menu?
See, there's a numbers of menus, but definitely in last 4 years I have made the mutton kosha as many times, which I have not even eaten also in my 44 years.
Oh my god. Any other sweet dish if you can?
Yeah, that is a seasonal. People love pati shatta, doodh puli, and they eagerly wait for when this winter time comes, and they wait for that.
Because I'm sure winters in West Bengal essentially identify with the Nolen Gur coming in.
Correct.
So is there specific dish which you curate out of the Nolen Gur?
Yes, there is the pati shapta is from the Nolen Gur only, the kheer which I have made purely with the Nolen Gur. Then I am creating the doodh puli. These all are the we can say the Posh Parvan festival when we do.
Correct.
Other than that, also Nolan Guret Payesh, which is one of the.
So, Ushri, I recently also read up that you have started this concept of this adda is what you call. So, I'm sure many of our viewers would like to know what it is all about, because it's not just
Yeah, see, if I wanted to tell about this, I need to go back to my history, because I'm in Mumbai almost 17 years,
Okay.
like away from home, you can understand. So, what exactly we look for? We always look for our roots, we look for our culture, we look for our food and the taste. So I thought I know how to cook. So why not bring all the Bengalis in a one shelter, because only the food can bring all the Bengalis together.
I think food is a common thread amongst everyone, if I may say
Yeah.
so. Ushri, I also heard that one of your recipes has been published in a book in Bangladesh.
Yeah, that's really a very privileged opportunity I have got. I can show you the same.
Yeah.
This is the book actually,
Okay.
and this is the community called Roshuna Vilash who have selected my recipe. This is the all over the country, and see, here I got a blessed with that there is a one recipe has been published out of 100 recipes.
Okay.
One of mine.
All right.
Okay.
So, okay. So, what is this recipe all about?
This is actually, as you know, along with the Bengali cuisine, I do the Bori cuisine too. So this is a kind of the fusion, you can say. Like
Okay.
I make something chicken recipe with the kari pata. They published, and it is currently in the Dhaka Government Library. So that is
Lovely.
really I'm blessed with that.
Lovely. So, many congratulations on this one, and I'm sure you have many more dollars coming your way.
Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you.
So I think that was a lot in a nutshell, but I am sure this is not the end of the video here. We are going to be waiting to add on and see what Ushri has churned up for us today in the Bengali cuisine, and I will be showcasing some more product reviews, and so keep watching till the end. Hi Ushri, so what are you making for us today?
There's a many dishes, but this is the one of my signature dish, that is a bhetki macher paturi.
Okay.
Ghee bhat, then shukto, then amdal. Amdal is the summertime special. Along with the dal, I have made some bhaja, dash on bhaja, which is called the begun bhaja.
Okay.
Then potato, pumpkin, and all there. And then this is a kumro shak, like a pumpkin, because the Bengalis loves to eat a lot of variety of shak. This is a kumro pumpkin shak bhaja. Then I made the jackfruit, this is a summertime season special.
Yeah.
So jackfruit sabji, and then bhetki macher paturi, and the mutton special is the Bengali love mutton,
Okay.
and then the amed chutney and the mishti doi.
Okay.
And along with that, this is also a Gandharaj lebu, which is Bengali fall in love for the Gandharaj lebu. Without Gandharaj lebu, our any
Meal is incomplete.
any meal is not complete actually.
Okay. Lovely.
So here it is.
So bhaja is my all-time favorite. So I'm going to be starting with that. So here goes the begun bhaja. Bengali cuisine is incomplete without this one. So yummy. Okay. She mentioned that to start with the bitter, so I am tasting the lovely blend of regional flavors all together. Now, another favorite of mine was a khatta ho jaye, so amed chutney. Okay. Then comes another season favorite, which is the jackfruit sabji. So see my taste. Succulent pieces of jackfruit. Yum. ये pumpkin leaves का सब्जी है. Now, this is the dal which I'm going to be eating with rice later. Let me taste the mutton then. Don't mind, this is all mine. Okay. If you want to order such delicious meals. I am tagging her number in the caption as well as at the end of this video. So please do order from Ushri Home Chef and dig into the deliciousness of Bengali. So Ushri, first of all, let me thank you again for joining Curry and Karwan, and I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure you are going to be soaring to newer heights with your journey that you have started and trying to take to a newer paradigm.
Yes, thank you so much, Neha, for giving me this opportunity to tell about me, myself, and my venture.